Alright, in this video let us see how we can use our slope stick to get other informations we need on our road. Look at this road cross section. You see the width at the top of the carriageway is 6 meters from here to here, but the width at the bottom side where we are building our road from is from this point to this point. So let us see how we can determine this point from this point to this point, because we have to build the road from this point. As it's going, it's narrowing till this 6 meters. Alright, so remember that our slope stick, the slope is 1 is to what? Is to 3. So this means that the 1 here stands for what? The vertical. And this 3 stands for what? The horizontal. This is our embankment. Take note, please. We are filling this road, we are building it to this point of our carriageway. This is our embankment, this is our slope stick. Now, having known this, it means for every 1 meter vertical height, we are going 3 meter horizontal distance. So now, we want to build this road for a vertical height of 2 meters. 1 is to 3. For a vertical height of 2 meters, what is the horizontal distance through which we will go, which is from here to here? Let's call this place X, and let's also call this place S, because here and here is same. From here to here we already know as 6 meters. So let's call this place X. So it means we have 1 is to 3 equals 2 is to what? S. So our S eventually becomes 3 times what? 2, which is equals to 6 meters. So it means for every 2 meter vertical height, we are going 6 meter horizontal distance. So for us to determine the full width from here to here at the bottom level, the width now becomes this X plus 6 plus what? X, which is equals to 6 plus 6 plus what? 6, which is giving us total of what? 18 meters.